Preservation of peptides is a concern for customers. This video will explain the relevant conditions and precautions for peptide preservation. The peptide products of QYAOBIO are freeze-dried powder substances obtained through ultra-low temperature pre-cooling and freeze-drying. The peptide products after freeze-drying are relatively stable. Before shipment, they undergo a series of operations, such as precise packaging, filling with nitrogen, sealing the bottle mouth, etc. They can generally be stored for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature, around 20 degrees centigrade. We make some suggestions for the preservation of peptides. 1. If your product is not opened for use, it can be stored at a low temperature of -20 degrees centigrade for about 1 year, while it can be stored at -80 degrees centigrade for about 3 years. However, due to differences in sequences, there may be some deviations, and our suggestion is to use it as early as possible. 2. If your product has been opened for use, it is recommended to store the remaining amount in the original tube and seal it with the included sealed bottle cap for low-temperature sealed storage. As long as the storage temperature remains constant, the product's shelf life is generally not affected. 3. If the product in your hand has already dissolved but has not been used up, it is recommended to freeze-dry it again and store it according to the second item, if conditions permit. If there is no freeze-drying condition, we recommend separating the liquid well, sealing and storing it at low temperature, and taking as much as needed in the future to avoid repeated melting and freezing. Of course, due to the liquid state, the storage period of the product will also be shortened, and different sequences may change differently. The sequences containing easily oxidizable amino acids, such as cysteine, methionine, tryptophan, and easily degradable amino acids, such as asparagine, glutamate, aspartate, will have a shorter overall period, so liquid storage is not recommended. If liquid peptides need to be used, it is recommended not to thaw them with heating equipment after taking them out. They only need to be thawed at room temperature, as heating may cause changes in the product. No matter if you have any problems during the use of the product, you can contact our customer service staff in a timely manner, and we will do our best to assist you in your scientific research experiments.